We're checking the dipstick on a ZF transmission, German company, and they use a red plastic dipstick, and they use automatic transmission fluid, which is red, so it's difficult to see the red fluid on the red stick. So we're going to use this napkin right here to read the stain on the dipstick when we pull it back out to read the level. Of course, on this boat it's not the easiest dipstick to get to because you have to go across the turbocharger to get to it. Pull it out, okay, touch it and roll it. Okay, not quite so graceful.
Yep.
You see the fatter spot right there? So put the end of the dipstick right there.
Okay.
So it's almost perfectly full. So you need to read the stain. You can't read the dipstick, you need to read the stain.
Bingo.
So that's the way I find easiest to read the ZF transmissions.
So
Okay, we're good.
when do we know we're low, Chris?
When
we're
it's,
low?
well, I would say somewhere in the halfway position or at the low mark.
Okay.
So let me see what this looks like here. So you can see the bumps. There you go. You can see the two bumps on the dipstick, marking the high level on the left and the low level on the right. Okay, we're good. Put it in. Make sure the O-ring seats, and then we can start up and take off.